Sleepy puppy. Sleepy puppy. Sleepy puppy. Hi, Luna. She's like, leave me alone.
Yeah, I don't think I can really pull this off.
Leave me alone. Hey guys, welcome back to the page, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to this edition of Driving for Skip the Dishes. It is Saturday, March 23rd today, and working just a short shift today, 2:30 to 5:30. Have a games night tonight, so that's why I'm working till 5:30, and I had to cancel my later shift. So that's where we're at. It is 2:28 right now. I'm just gonna check in, and I will chime in when I get my first order, and let's see how today goes. It's beautiful outside, sun's shining, the weather's nice. Hopefully it's a busy kind of afternoon. It's a bit of a crappy shift to have because usually 2:30, kind of the mid-afternoon, you're after the lunch rush and you're before the dinner rush. So I suspect it's not going to be very busy to begin with, but you never know what's going to happen with Skip. It's always a toss-up. So I'll chime in when I get my first order, and that's where we're at. All right, guys, it is, what time is it? 2:42, so been on shift now for 12 minutes. Just got the first order. It's at A&W in Auburn Bay. So I'm gonna head there right now, and this order is being delivered to the Elgin area. So it's gonna be a pretty quick drive. Anyways, let's go get this day started, and hopefully the busyness continues, or at least starts and continues. Anyways, let's go. Let's go to A&W. All right, guys, we are at A&W. It was nice and quick. This order is supposed to be picked up in 2 minutes, so they'll probably be ready. They're fairly efficient in there, so I will be back soon. Hang out here, enjoy the sunshine, and I'll be back shortly. Alrighty, we are back. Just a touch of a wait inside there. Ready to drive. Russell. I don't think I told you guys how much this order is worth. So it's $7.25. It's actually a decent order for just a burger and a drink. Or burger, fries, and a drink. $7.25, $4.25 transit, $3 tip. And Russell is 11 minutes away. Let's go. All right, Mr. Russell. I think you're right there. I found you. All right, we're here, guys. Let's go get Russell his food. Parked customers. All right, Russell's order is delivered. Got another order right away, that's cool. And the app has stopped auto-accepting, which is nice. Okay, chicken on the way in Mackenzietown. This order is worth $11.28, and it's going to Copperfield, which is awesome. So this is $4.25 transit, $7.03 tip. Let's go, this is a great order. All right, folks, just pulling up the chicken on the way in Mackenzietown. It was only like 4 minutes to get here. Let's go in and get this order. Parked at restaurant. Every other time I've picked up here, they've been very, very quick, so I should be back shortly. All right, we're back. They were fairly quick in there. They were just boxing everything up. Okay, so ready to drive, and Grant is 6 minutes away. Let's go. Grant, thank you for the wonderful order. My app just reset. There we go. All right, so we're at Grant's place. Let's deliver the order. Simple as that. All right, simple as that. Okay guys, been on shift now for 30 minutes and the total is $18, excuse me, and 53 cents. Okay guys, got the next order. This is at Montana's. I think I did Montana's 2 Saturdays ago or something like that. Anyways, second time at Montana's. Hopefully it's not a wait like the first time. That first time I had to wait quite a while. So this order is worth $8.55. It's going to take me probably about 5-6 minutes to get there. And then it's going to, I think it's going to right over here in Mackenzie Town. So anyways, the order is $3.75 transit, $4.80 tip, and I'm on my way to Montana's right now. All right, it was a quick drive to Montana's, parked at the restaurant. Let's go in and get this order. Hopefully, again, it doesn't take forever. I'm gonna turn you guys off just in case it takes the same amount of time it did last time. Alrighty, well, Montana's on 130th in Calgary. That's 2 for 2 on sucking, big time. Big time sucking. Montana's on 130th. So exactly the same thing happened. Go to the bar. The bartender's there helping other people out, not at the bar, but just in general. There was some sort of manager or something eating food right beside me. And so I sat there for 6 minutes before anybody actually even acknowledged me. And then the girl took my number, and then the manager actually went back to the kitchen and said something. So that was a 10-minute wait in there, and not a big fan of picking up at Montana's. I know a few of you guys that watch my videos regularly have commented that you also have to wait at Montana's. So thumbs down, Montana's. All right, so Scotty is in an apartment building. There we go. Okay, so Scotty's 7 minutes away. Let's go. Okay, guys, we are here parked at Scotty's building. There's somebody standing in the doorway, so I think that's going to be him, which is wonderful because he doesn't have a unit number. So let's go get him his food. All right, Scotty was down there waiting for me, so that order is delivered. Got another pizza driver or something right behind me, right beside me. Okay, so delivered order. Currently on shift for 1 hour and 7 minutes, and the total is $27.08. So good total so far. If it keeps up like this, it's going to be a great Saturday 3-hour shift. So already better than I expected. I'm close to my normal sitting spot. That new puppy, I've got puppy fuzz in my nose. I'm going to go sit over at the Tim Hortons there, my normal spot, and wait for the next order. All right, guys. Well, I've been sitting here at the Tim Hortons now for, call it 30 minutes. It may have been less, but no, it's actually been a little bit more than 30 minutes. Call it 30 minutes just to make it simple. Have not gotten another order. So it's 4:24 right now. My shift started at 2:45. Yeah, 2:45, that's right. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is, started at 2:30. I think I've been thinking about that wrong. So I've almost been on shift now for 2 hours, and crazy. 2 hours, and I am at $27.08. I'm gonna head back to my house just because if there's no orders, I'd rather be doing something productive than sitting here watching YouTube videos of some of my other favorites. Anyways, on my way back, I'd rather be editing videos. So I'm gonna head back home and I will chime in when something cool happens. All right, guys, well, the last hour of the shift was fairly uneventful because I got 0 orders. So I think it was about an hour, basically. Might have been even longer. I think I sat at the Tim Hortons from 4 to 4:30, and then I came home. Yeah, it was actually an hour and a half. So the first hour and a half of the shift was good. Last hour and a half of the shift was not good. So that's basically it today. It was a fairly uneventful day. A little bit disappointed. Just opening the app here. So I was actually at home and at 5 o'clock, so with a half an hour left, I ended my shift. So total for today is $27.08. That's 3 orders. Again, did those first 3 orders in the first hour and a half, and then I sat there for half an hour, and then I came home and I sat there for half an hour, and then I ended my shift, and now we're at the end of the day. So that officially ends this episode of Driving for Skip the Dishes and ends this vlog, and thank you so much for tuning in. That's it. Don't have a lot to talk about today because this episode really sucked. Really wasn't a whole lot going on. Honestly, I don't even know if I'll make this into a video because that's how terrible it was. So we'll see what happens. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like Squad, smash that like button. If this is your first time on my channel, usually they're a lot more exciting than this. So hit that subscribe button down below. And you can also click on my face here where it pops up and you can subscribe that way. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace out.